This is the complete guide to Adobe Firefly, the generative AI system built directly into Creative Cloud and the only major AI image generator trained on commercially licensed content. By the end of this video you will know every Firefly tool and what each one does, how Generative Fill and Expand work inside Photoshop, why commercial safety makes Firefly the only responsible choice for client work, how Firefly sits inside Creative Cloud across every app, how it compares to Midjourney, DALL-E, and Ideogram, every pricing plan, and the real workflows creatives are running with Firefly right now. Let us get into it. Adobe Firefly is not a single tool, it is a family of generative AI models built into Adobe's entire Creative Cloud ecosystem. Launched in May 2023, Firefly has already been used to generate over 12 billion images. The founding principle that separates Firefly from every competitor is commercial safety. Adobe trained Firefly exclusively on Adobe stock licensed images and publicly available content cleared for AI training. The consequence, every image Firefly generates comes with Adobe's commercial indemnification. Adobe absorbs the legal risk if a copyright claim ever arises. No other major AI image tool offers this. Firefly covers 5 output types: images, vectors, design assets, video, and text effects. It operates inside Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, Lightroom, Adobe Express, and a standalone web app. No separate subscription needed if you already use Creative Cloud. Every output carries a content credential, a tamper-proof tag that verifies the image was AI generated and records how it was made. Let me walk through every tool in the Firefly family. Firefly Image 3, the flagship model, text-to-image generation with the highest quality output and full commercial indemnification. Firefly Vector generates true SVG vector graphics from text prompts. This is not a rasterized image converted to vector, it is native scalable vector output, directly usable in Illustrator. Firefly Design generates complete layouts, social post graphics, and banners from text descriptions or template prompts. Firefly Video, text-to-video and image-to-video generation, cinematic clips from written descriptions or still images. Text effects, apply textures, materials, and environments directly to type: gold, stone, fire, vegetation, all rendered as type effects. Structure reference, upload a reference image to maintain its composition while Firefly applies a completely different style or subject. Style reference, upload any image and Firefly replicates its visual style across all your generations. And content credentials, a verifiable provenance tag embedded in every output. Generative Fill and Generative Expand are the Firefly features that have changed how professional photographers and designers work in Photoshop. Object removal, select any object and describe what should replace it. Firefly fills the area with contextually matched background detail. Background replacement, select the background, describe the new scene, and Firefly replaces it while preserving the subject perfectly. Object addition, draw a selection anywhere in the image, type what you want to add, and it appears with matching light and shadow. Generative Expand, drag the canvas outward in any direction and Firefly generates content beyond the original frame, critical for converting portrait photos to landscape without cropping. Distraction removal, one-click removes tourists, telephone cables, road signs, or any unwanted element from any photo. Product photography, add surfaces, props, environments, and context around any product shot without a studio setup. Every generative fill operation creates a new layer, the original image is never touched, and you can regenerate multiple variations before committing. Here is how to get started with Adobe Firefly from scratch. Step 1. Go to firefly.adobe.com and sign in. An Adobe ID is free, 25 credits per month, no Creative Cloud subscription required. Step 2. Choose your tool. Firefly Image 3 for photorealistic or artistic image generation. Firefly Vector for scalable graphics you will use in Illustrator. Text effects for type-based creative work. Step 3. Write your prompt. Be specific: subject, lighting style, color palette, mood, and visual reference. Firefly responds to cinematic language just as well as plain description. Step 4. Set the content type, visual style preset, and aspect ratio before generating. These dramatically shape the output direction. Step 5. If you have a visual target, upload a style or structure reference image. This locks in the look before the first generation. Step 6. Generate. Firefly returns 4 variations, review them and refresh for more on the same prompt if needed. Step 7. Download the output or click to open it directly in Photoshop or Illustrator with one click. For any creative professional doing client work, this is the workflow that protects both you and your client. Step 1. Establish a Firefly-first policy on every client project from the start. Document in your project notes that all AI imagery originates from Firefly. Step 2. Generate your concepts in Firefly Image 3 and download them. Content credentials are embedded automatically in the file metadata. Save the XMP metadata with every deliverable. Step 3. Refine in Photoshop using Generative Fill. Because Generative Fill runs on Firefly models, the commercial indemnification carries through into the edited output. Step 4. Use Firefly Vector for any scalable graphic assets. True SVG output goes directly into Illustrator, no rasterization step and no risk. Step 5. Use Generative Expand to create format variations for different placements without reshooting or sourcing new imagery. Step 6. Before delivery, verify the content credentials. Upload the image at contentcredentials.org and confirm the full provenance chain is intact. Step 7. Include a note in your client deliverable confirming that all AI imagery is Firefly generated and Adobe indemnified. Let me be direct about commercial safety because it matters for anyone doing paid work. Midjourney, DALL-E, and Stable Diffusion were trained on images scraped from the internet without the permission of the photographers and artists who created them. Multiple class action lawsuits are ongoing. If you use those tools to generate images for a client, you are passing on an unquantified copyright risk. Adobe Firefly was trained exclusively on Adobe stock licensed images and public domain material cleared for AI training. Adobe indemnifies every commercially generated output. If a copyright claim arises, Adobe absorbs the legal exposure, not you. Content credentials embed a tamper-proof provenance record in every file, verifiable at contentcredentials.org. In practice, agencies and enterprise brands are increasingly requiring Firefly-first AI policies for all client-facing content. The practical question to ask your clients: do they have an AI content policy? Most enterprises now do, and most of them specify commercially indemnified tools only. Firefly is not a standalone tool you switch to, it lives inside every major Creative Cloud application. Photoshop, Generative Fill, Generative Expand, the Remove tool, and Generate Similar are all powered by Firefly models directly inside the Photoshop workspace. Illustrator, Generative Recolor lets you retheme entire vector illustrations, and text-to-vector graphic generates scalable vector art from text. Premiere Pro, generate B-roll footage from a text prompt and use Generative Extend to fill gaps between clips automatically. After Effects, Generative Fill for video removes or replaces objects in moving footage. Adobe Express, full Firefly image generation, text effects, and template generation for social content and marketing materials. Lightroom, Generative Remove cleans distractions from photos, and Generative Background replaces backgrounds on any subject. InDesign, generate images and place them directly inside layouts. And the Firefly web app gives you access to all model families without any installed Creative Cloud application. Here is how different creative roles use Firefly in practice. Designers use Firefly Image 3 to generate concept imagery for client presentations without sourcing stock or briefing a photographer, and every image is commercially safe from the moment it is generated. Brand teams use Generative Recolor in Illustrator to retheme entire visual systems across seasonal campaigns or regional variations without manual recoloring. Photographers use Generative Expand to convert portrait orientation shots to landscape, fill in cropped subjects, or create widescreen versions without reshooting. Product teams add environments, surfaces, and styled contexts around product photographs in Photoshop without a studio booking. Social media managers generate 10 or more platform-specific format variations from a single hero image in under 5 minutes. Motion designers use Firefly in Premiere Pro and After Effects to remove distractions from footage and generate B-roll. Art directors use style reference to lock the visual language of an entire campaign before handing off to a team. And marketing teams generate, expand, and localize visual assets at a pace that traditional production cannot match. Who is Adobe Firefly for? Creative agencies are the most important use case. Commercial indemnification removes the legal risk that other AI tools carry when generating client-facing imagery. In-house design teams at brands and enterprises use Firefly for campaign imagery, brand asset creation, and visual system variations that stay within their commercial content policies. Photographers use Generative Expand and Generative Fill to extend, composite, and retouch without leaving Photoshop. Marketing teams generate product visuals, campaign imagery, and add creative at a pace and cost that traditional photography cannot compete with. Social media managers produce 10 or more format variations from one asset in minutes. Motion designers use Firefly inside Premiere and After Effects to clean footage and generate contextual B-roll. And for any existing Creative Cloud subscriber, Firefly is already available, often with credits already included, making it the zero-friction AI addition to an existing workflow. Here is what creatives are actually producing with Firefly right now. Agencies are delivering 200 campaign image variations in 2 days, no stock licensing, no photography budget, full commercial clearance. Portrait photographers are extending every client portrait to widescreen for magazine and billboard formats using Generative Expand in seconds per image. Brand teams are rethematizing entire icon and illustration libraries into 8 seasonal color palettes in an afternoon using Generative Recolor. E-commerce teams are generating 50 product lifestyle images without booking a studio. The product shot goes in, the environment is generated around it. Video editors are generating 30 seconds of contextually matched B-roll from a text description mid-project in Premiere, without sourcing stock footage. Social teams are producing platform-specific versions of every campaign asset on the same day the hero image is approved. Art directors are locking campaign visual language with style reference before briefing their design teams. Everyone generates from the same visual baseline. And corporate communications teams are localizing visual assets for 12 different markets from a single master image using Generative Expand and Fill. Here is the honest comparison. Versus Midjourney, Firefly provides commercial indemnification that Midjourney does not. Midjourney has a higher artistic quality ceiling for purely creative work. Versus DALL-E 3, Firefly integrates directly with Creative Cloud and provides legal indemnification. DALL-E 3 integrates more tightly with ChatGPT for conversational creative workflows. Versus Ideogram AI, Firefly has the full Creative Cloud ecosystem built in. Ideogram leads on text rendering accuracy inside generated images. Versus Stable Diffusion, Firefly is hosted, requires no setup, and provides commercial indemnification. Stable Diffusion runs locally with unlimited generation for those managing their own environment. Versus Canva AI, Firefly has deeper professional creative capabilities and CC integration. Canva makes design and publishing easier for non-designers. Versus Flux, Firefly provides a commercial safety guarantee that Flux does not. Flux is faster at raw generation with comparable or higher quality output. The honest summary: if commercial safety and Creative Cloud integration matter, Firefly is the clear choice. If maximum artistic quality with no commercial constraint is the priority, Midjourney still leads. 8 tips that consistently improve Firefly output. 1. Upload a style reference before you write a single word of your prompt. It locks the visual language and prevents Firefly from defaulting to generic output. 2. Set the content type, photo, graphic, or art, before generating. This single setting changes the output more than most prompt words do. 3. Use film and photography lighting language. Golden hour, soft studio lighting, neon backlight. Firefly reads these precisely. 4. Use the avoid field as your negative prompt. Remove text, noise, blur, and any unwanted elements before the first generation. 5. Use structure reference when you want to maintain a specific composition while changing the subject or style entirely. 6. When using Generative Fill in Photoshop, work in stages. Fill smaller areas first, then expand outward. The edge blending is significantly cleaner. 7. Always download with XMP metadata intact, never screenshot the output. The content credentials are embedded in the file, not the screen. 8. Before rewriting your prompt, hit refresh on the same prompt first. Firefly returns for completely new variations. The next set might already be what you want. Adobe Firefly pricing. The free plan gives you 25 credits per month via the web app, no Creative Cloud subscription required. Every output on the free plan is commercially indemnified. This is not a paid-only feature. Firefly Premium is $4.99 a month, 100 credits, priority generation queue, and access to all Firefly model families. If you use Firefly regularly for client work but do not need the full Creative Cloud suite, Premium is the right standalone plan. Creative Cloud All Apps is $59.99 a month. This includes Firefly credits alongside Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere, Lightroom, After Effects, InDesign, and every other Creative Cloud app. For any creative professional already in the Adobe ecosystem, this is the most cost-effective way to access Firefly. Enterprises custom-priced unlimited credits, enhanced commercial indemnification terms, admin controls, and dedicated support. My recommendation: start free to learn the tools. Move to Premium if you need more credits without the full CC subscription. If you already use Creative Cloud, Firefly is already available to you. Here is everything you need. Start at firefly.adobe.com, free account, 25 credits per month, no Creative Cloud subscription. Upgrade to Firefly Premium at $4.99 a month when you need more credits. If you need the full Creative Cloud suite, CC All Apps at $59.99 includes Firefly and every Adobe app, both available at adobe.com/creativecloud/plans. Bookmark contentcredentials.org. It is where you verify the provenance of any Firefly output before client delivery. All links are in the description below. If this guide helped you understand what Firefly can do, subscribe. I publish complete, honest guides to every major AI creative tool every week. Now go generate something commercially safe. See you in the next one.